One of the biggest mistakes you can make is to move your stop loss to break even. In this video, I'll tell you why and also show you an example to prove it. Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we're discussing a very important question. Should you push your stop loss to break even? A lot of traders struggle with the same question. Well, before you do it next time, consider these 3 points. Point number 1, you entered for a reason. Why let fear change it? Guys, you've done all the hard work. You've found a strategy that works. You've entered in a trade. You've defined a stop loss as well as a take profit. Why do you want to push your stop loss to break even when your trade is running in your direction? Which brings us to point number 2. Give the trade enough room to breathe. Guys, market does not work as we want it to work. Just because our trade has gone to a 1:1 or a 1:2 doesn't mean that it will go to a take profit. Guys, usually, the market is not structured. As you guys know, the market doesn't move from point A to point B to point C. The market has been engineered to move in fluctuations. This going to move up and down regardless of where your stop loss, entry and take profit is. So give the trade some room to breathe. Point number 3 is trust your strategy, boys. You've done all the hard work. You've found the strategy. You've done the back testing. You know for a fact that your strategy works in the long run. Let me make this simple for you with an example. Let's say you're risking $100 to get $300. There are 3 scenarios. The first scenario, just after you enter, the price is going to come down and take your stop loss. That's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is after you enter, the price is going to go to a 1:1 or a 1:2 and then come back, take your break even and take your stop loss. This time, you're losing $100. Scenario number 3, this is the one you'd hit. After you enter, price goes to a 1:1, even a 1:2, comes back to break even and then goes to a 1:3, which is $300. Boys, in scenario number 2, you're losing just $100. But in scenario number 3, bro, you're gaining $300. Guys, my question to you is this. Are you willing to risk losing $300 or are you willing to risk just $100 that you originally planned to lose? Come on, let me show you today's trade and this might actually push you towards the right direction. Let's go. So guys, I did manage to record this trade live. So I'm going to show you the setup first and then the recording. So guys, in the morning, this is what I was looking at. As you guys know, above every high and every low, rest stop losses. So right above this high, rest a lot of stop losses. So I call this the stop hunt zone. So all we want to do is wait for price to get to this zone, right? So let's just let price run. So guys, as soon as the price tapped the zone and then rejected, I went on a short. So the entry was here. Stop loss went 100 pips above the zone. And I was targeting a beautiful 1:3. So right now, I'm going to show you the recording on what happened live. Guys, this is the C trader. I trade with funding pips and this is what happened. So as soon as we entered, price was doing its thing. It was going up and down. As you can see here, you'll see the pips and the amount that is running currently. As you guys can see, the price has gone 50% to the take profit. So an interesting thing happened here. I got a 313 strategy entry right here. So guys, this setup is really easy. You need 3 candles prior to the supply and after the supply, you need 3 candles after. So it is in the same direction of my short. So I went in. My entry was just below the supply and the stop loss went just above. I'm going to let this run and show you what happened. Initially, I thought price wouldn't take it. Price almost went to 70% off take profit and then decided to pull back. Yeah, as you can see, price eventually came back and took the entry. So guys, this is the 313 strategy. Entry is right here. Stop loss is just above the supply zone. And let's see what happens. It was a great entry. Price did fall a bit, but I did get stopped out. Here's where the important thing happens. After going to more than a 1:2 risk to reward, price comes back to break even. Look at that, boys. An exact tap off the break even. And look what price does after. So if you put your stop loss at break even, you would have been taken out from the trade, right? But right now, when you're watching this real time, You'd be thinking, what the hell have I done? Look at this. Look at what price is doing, boys. Yeah, I watched this live, people. So look at it. Again, this is the amount that's running right now. Take profit is defined at $300. We're risking 100. It's just cascading down after coming back to your break even. And boys, eventually, price made its mind up to take the take profit. Hold on, wait for it. There you go. So guys, next time you think of putting a break even, remember this trade. Because remember, if I lost that trade, I'd be losing $100. But this time, I got $300. I can use the same $300 to take 3 stop losses, boys. This is how the math works. It's plain and simple. Think about this, trade the right way. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can connect with me in the Discord. I have the link below. And also, if you have any questions and comments, you can also put it down on the comments below. Thanks a lot. Take care.